still very new to me. And so, thank you for your patience. That's the best thing I could say right now is thank you for your patience. I'm still learning how to navigate the technicalities of everything here. And so, just bear with me. Okay, the last live stream I did, which was yesterday, the audio quality was so terrible. But in a way, I'm happy that I didn't really put that out there, except on maybe one platform, which was okay. And also, the reason why I'm happy I didn't really put that out there, not only for the quality, but even for the integrity of the signals. Okay, like I said, I want to bring you all on this journey, not only with the signals journey through the Forex, the financial department of Win University, but I also want to bring you through the entirety of Win University within the winner's report. And there's so much more to Win University than Forex. But for those of you who have signals, of course, I will still honor that. Okay. And what I want to do is just kind of go over what we have here. This is our MetaTrader 4 account. And so on this account, excuse me, on this account, what we have is assets that have matured in trades that will be placed. If you look on the left-hand side here, let me actually go into the window here. If you look on the left-hand side here, you can obviously see the dates. I have the assets covered just for the integrity of the members who have been paying for the service. It just wouldn't be fair to show this publicly. We're gonna go ahead and collect on these right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let me just double check on a couple of things before I do. Make sure that all the live streams are up and running properly here. Let's see, desktop audio. Okay. So again, if you're interested in receiving the signals, just visit the website. You know, that's the best thing I could tell you. Visit the website, check it out. Let's go see. All right, what we got here. All right, perfect. Okay, so that's streaming. We're on Twitch. We are good to go on YouTube. Yep, we're good to go on YouTube as well. We're good to go on Instagram. Now on Instagram, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to edit the videos and re-upload them onto Instagram because I don't know, it's a little that whole portrait view is kind of, you know, kind of weird. All right, good. And we're also on D Live. Okay, we have an account on D Live. It's Win University. That's the account. All right, perfect, awesome. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much collect on these, but before I do that, I just want you to see that how it works. The ones at the top are the ones that have matured. The ones at the bottom still need time to mature. Yesterday we seen quite a few that hadn't matured yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and close these out. I'm not gonna really take too much time on the Forex aspect of things. Like this type of recording, when it comes to the Forex, I'm only going to do it for, you know, the assets that we're going to collect and things of that nature. Okay. When it comes to the rest of the types of recording that I'm going to do, I'm only going to do the educational aspect of the financial department. So I'll have information that's relevant to the financial markets like Forex, things of that nature. But it won't just necessarily be me only going through signals, all right? Now for you paid members, what I'll do is after I finish this public video, I finally figured it out, okay? After I finish this public video that's censored, you know, with all the, I mean, this should be blocked over here and this should be blocked over here. Once I'm done with that, I'll have the uncensored version located in our Google Drive. I'll have everyone placed in our Google Drive so they can gain access to those files. Okay, and I'm still working on the different membership for those of you who would like access to our other resources. We have a lot of different resources at Win University, and I want every Win member that wants to be part of it, I want you all to gain access to those memberships, the membership platforms, okay? So, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and close these out here. Okay. Let's see. Did that close out? No? All right, there we go. And I'm pretty much just collecting on these. And what you're going to see is I'm going to record again. This is going to be every week. Today is, I'm only collecting double digit numbers, by the way. So what you're going to see is here, before I even go there, the ones at the bottom haven't matured yet. I'm waiting on these to mature. They will mature in due time. Okay, when that time comes, they'll mature. And if they don't mature right away, they'll mature eventually. I'm going to place new trades. And after I place those new trades, next week, I will show you not only this, but we will also take a look at, let's see, we will also take a look at the MyFX book. Let me see here. No, this isn't the MyFX book. This is the financial market report. But since we're here, you'll get access to the financial market report once you become a paid Signals member. And on this report, let me open the browser here. So on this report, you'll get access to all of the signals. Of course, this is a censored version, so you're not going to see everything here. These signals should be covered up, and they are. Okay, so you won't be able to, you can't see the signals here. All right, but you'll get access to all of our signals, and these are the signals that are on that same account that I just closed those trades on. So these are the number of days that they've been held for, and you can take them according to the number of days. If you want to take them while they're young, you could do that. Okay, let me see one of them, the one that matured pretty well. The one that matured pretty well was 6 days old, and let me see, there was another one, and 10 days old that matured very, very well. Okay, so you know, even if you take it 6 days, 10 days old, you can still make profit. And this will be updated every week. Okay, every week. Now I want to have videos come out every day. Again, covering the financial education aspect of Win University, as well as the online, the business aspect of Win University, the business education. Okay. So that's pretty much it on that. And I don't want to really go too much into anything else. I mean, this is really straightforward. Those of you who've been watching me do these signal updates, you know, you've been used to it. Sometimes I'll have, I'll get that fixed here. Let's just move this out of the way here. Okay. Sometimes I'll have the analysis here. So I have the analysis here. I can go over it, and I won't go over every single thing, but once in a while I'll do some charting. Okay, I'll do some charting. I'll see, but it won't be often. For the most part, it won't be often. And if I do charting publicly, there'll be a good reason for it. But when I do the charting, it will only be for private members or paid signal members, only private members. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I mean, there's really not much to go over. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, there's not really that much to go over other than I will be placing the trades. I'll replenish the account. I'll have multiple accounts. Oh yeah, there was one more thing. Actually, there was the MyFX book. Let's go there real quick. Let's go to the MyFX book and right. We got. It's like we have the blockers on there, huh? Okay. Let's go ahead and take these blockers off momentarily. Okay. So with the MyFX book, when I do come here publicly, it will be mainly to go over our it'll be to go over the the MyFX book account. Okay, we're going to be adding some more MyFX book systems in here, so stay tuned for that as well. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you all, those of you who've been watching. Thank you all for your patience. You know, like I said, this is all new, and I'm still getting the hang of doing this when it comes to this whole live streaming thing. I'll have the final videos edited and reposted on all of the social media platforms, and I'll come back for the longer tutorials. Will be the educational tutorials on whatever the subject matters will be for that video. So thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and remember, only winners invest in their minds for wiser returns.